Racing just is started. Take it or leave it. Break quickly to start. Glitter Pace is running by the rail. Hukbong Dagat, Love Rosie. Saint Siswa comes next. Getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Burbank and just again. Racing down the backstretch, we have Glitter Pace on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. Take it or leave it in second. Hukbong Dagat now moving up down on the inside. Love Rosie, Saint Siswa is on the outside, running by the release Jens again, while Burbank now racing in last inside the Tres Octavo. We have Glitter Pace enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Hukbong Dagat. Then here comes Love Rosie together with Saint Siswa on the outside. Take it or leave it comes next just again, and Burbank is still racing in last, and Diana entering the home stretch. Glitter Pace, Barling and a half. Love Rosie now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Hukbong Dagat is running by the rail. Last 100 meters we have Glitter Pace. Moving up on the outside is Love Rosie, and finally it's Love Rosie. Glitter Pace, Hukbong Dagat, Saint Siswa.
Entry number 4, that is Love Rosie, your unofficial winner for this race number 5. Mas segundo dyan, numero 2, Glitter Pace, papasok